I'm entitled to Social Security and railroad retirement. Shouldn't I be getting 2 checks? Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today we're going to talk about railroad retirement Social Security. So I get a lot of railroaders that come to me, and I get comments on the YouTube channel. Hey, I paid into Social Security. I should be getting 2 checks. You know, I paid in railroad. I should be getting this. I should be getting that. This is a ripoff. It's a scam. I hear it all. All right. So let me walk through you on how the benefits are calculated. Or what you should be receiving, all right? So let's just, to qualify for railroad retirement real quick, I've done this numerous times, but you should know by now, 5 years of railroad service after 1995. You've done that, you're always gonna collect railroad retirement, all right? That's important to know. 10 years before 1995, you're always gonna collect railroad retirement. If you haven't done that, you're into Social Security. All right, now, real quick, how do you qualify for Social Security? Right? 40 Social Security credits. Basically, 1 credit is a quarter of work, right? The quarter is 3 months every year, right? So 4 credits a year. So 10 years of work, you're into Social Security. All right, so, there's a lot of people. I've done some railroad time. I've done some Social Security time, right? So I should be getting 2 checks. Well, we'll walk through this. So it's important to remember, this only is referencing Social Security and Tier 1 portion, right? Tier 2 is separate, completely different, so I won't get into that. So Tier 1 is equal to your 35 highest earning years of Social Security and railroad. That will give you what your tier number, Tier 2, right? The Railroad Retirement Board pays that amount to you, right? All the checks come through the Railroad Retirement Board, all right? So a dual monthly benefit, right, because you have Social Security and railroad retirement, that's what we're talking about here, saying I've paid in, is reduced by the amount that Social Security pays, okay? So you're saying, oh, I've got a big Tier 1 amount, and then Social Security is going to pay part of that. So let me just give you the example so it won't get as confusing. So let's say your Tier 1 amount, right, I got Social Security and railroad retirement. That's going to be worth $3,000. You check with the Railroad Retirement Board, $3,000 a month. Then you go online to socialsecurity.gov, SSA.gov, and you pull up your Social Security statement, and it says, I'm getting $2,000 a month from Social Security. So, right, $3,000, $2,000, I should have $5,000. No. All right, what you're going to get is the $3,000. All right, they're going to send you a check for $3,000. And so what happens is the Tier 1 gets reduced by the Social Security payment for $2,000. Social Security will pay into the Railroad Retirement Board to cover that. So it's $3,000. So $3,000 plus $2,000 in Railroad Retirement Board math equals $3,000. All right, so there you go. There's no dual benefits, so to speak, so you can't really collect the Tier 1 and Social Security at the same time. You can collect Social Security and Tier 2 at the same time, but that's a different video for a different time. So I hope I cleared up this confusion. There's no collecting both at the same time. Sorry, that's why it is. Feel free to reach out to me if you're at or near retirement and you have some questions about, hey, I got some Social Security earnings and some railroad retirement earnings. How does that all work? Reach out to me. We can go over some of that stuff, go through that boarding for railroad retirement process. Really great stuff there. Click on the notification bell to get the latest video. Give a like to this video. Share it with other railroaders. I really do appreciate that. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.